So the rules are, we're gonna give you 5 product lines. You're gonna rank them easiest to DIY to the hardest. Once you place one, you can't move it.
I hate the no take back parts, but all right, let's go.
All right, the first one is our handrail.
What about the handrail? Handrail is one of the easiest products we sell. It installs under an hour. All you really need is a drill bit and everything comes with it. If you've ever installed a curtain rod, you could definitely do our handrail. I'm gonna mark that as easiest. How's that?
Okay, next we have balusters.
Balusters. Balusters are a weekend project. It'll depend whether you're doing a whole entire brand new railing system or if you're just swapping out or updating your railing system. It's not as easy as the handrail. It's still within the range of what we'll call it a homeowner can pull off with all our YouTube videos and instructions. I'm only saying medium because there's just a little bit more planning, so medium.
All right, next we have stoop railing.
Next we have stoop railing. Stoop railing is typically 2-3 steps. Either it's a front door or a back door or even something leading into a garage. It's really a great system. 2 fasteners to get it done. It all comes included. Lots of good content online for videos of how to install. I wouldn't say it's that much harder than handrail. It's probably it's obviously a different approach.
Okay, so then where does it land?
Where does it land in terms of difficulty? I'd say one of the easiest.
Easiest?
Yeah.
Even though we already have something at easiest?
Should we move it?
You can't move it. Next we have pre-drilled railing kits.
The pre-drilled railing kits. The pre-drilled railing kits, they are a complete railing system. Comes with the balusters, a nice profiled wooden railing, pressure treated. All the fasteners and hardware come included so that you attach it to a pre-existing post or a newly installed post. It's really another one that has a lot of good content in terms of how to install it, and the instructions are very clear. It's definitely a step up from your stoop railing. Like there's very little guesswork involved in where to insert the baluster into the railing. It's already pre-drilled. You just simply you can't really do anything different other than where the holes are already placed, and you just put them in and go along.
So medium, easy?
So I'm going to put this one at easy. A lot of the guesswork is taken away from whether it's a homeowner or a contractor. All the parts come in the box, in the kit, fasteners, and lots of great content to walk you through the whole installation process.
Okay, last one, we've got ready rail.
Ready rail is exactly how it sounds. It's ready. It's already pre-assembled, pre-welded. All the pickets are already on the railing. There is minimal amount of cutting depending on your lengths. There are predetermined lengths already. There's going to be a little bit of math required to ensure that you got a nice equal layout when you go to install your posts and insert your railings. There is a little bit of cutting where need be. Not that difficult. I know it's a bit of a challenge for some people or a psychological barrier to overcome cutting steel, but if you follow the instructions and do all the recommendations, it's an actually easy, great installation. All the fasteners come included, all the connectors come included. It's really ready to go. You know what? I'm going to put this between easy and medium. I'm going to kind of break the rules a bit. So there's a little bit of thought pattern involved, and you've got to put brackets in and may have to do a little bit of cutting depending on your lengths, but let's go with medium.
So nothing actually falls under hard or hardest?
Yeah, nothing's really going to fall within hard and hardest. Given everything that we sort of bring to market, any products, that is usually the number one characteristics in developing a product is ease of installation, where it helps facilitate a need without creating all this magic that needs to happen or all this knowledge that needs to be acquired from years of experience. But at the end of the day, it brings you tremendous value and looks phenomenal. The whole goal is to install it in a weekend, and that's really the whole point.
Hey, good luck with your railing projects.